Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today I discuss computer at a glance. This is the chapter name, first chapter in class 5. I have already discussed what is hardware, what is IQ cycle, but today I discuss hardware device. Computer at a glance. Chapter 1, class 5. Topic. This chapter related to topic hardware device. What is the hardware device? The hardware device, the computer system comprises of many type of hardware devices. These hardware devices, first input device, second processing device, third output device, and fourth a storage device. Every student study in previous class what is the input and the output. Every student will study. Input device, keyboard, mouse, joystick. This is the input device. Output device, monitor, printer, a scanner, etc. Processing device. This is the important part. So first topic start. What is a processing device? Because class 4 input and output you have already studied in class 4, but today I again discuss in this topic. But today main important point processing device and to the storage device. Processing device. What is the processing device? Data in computer is processed by the CPU. Data in computer processed by CPU. What is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. This CPU is also known as brain of computer. This CPU is also known as brain of computer. Processing data is processed by the CPU, and this CPU is known as brain of computer. I related totally diagram basis. There are three main parts of the CPU. Three main component. First ALU, second CU, and the third MU. What is the ALU? Arithmetic logic unit. What is the CU? Control unit. What is the MU? Memory unit. Three part of the CPU. What is the ALU? Arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic logic unit is mainly related to the arithmetic and the logical operation. This is the ALU. What is the CU? CU control to the flow of data. And what is the MU? MU means a store to the data. Memory unit, a store to the data. This is the processing device. Second, input device. Input means data entered to the computer system. Input device are used to enter. This is the input device. Input device, there are so many such type of input device: keyboard, mouse, a scanner, microphone, touchpad, touch screen. What is the keyboard? Keyboard, this is the one of the most common used input device, because this keyboard is used to the enter data and instruction to the computer. That's all. Second, what is the mouse? Mouse is also called to the pointing device, because you had already studied in previous classes, but I again discuss is some important point. What is the mouse? Mouse is also called to the pointing device, and they are the mainly used for the graphical user interface. The mouse are mainly used for the graphical user interface. It works by pointing and clicking the graphical object on the screen. Graphical object on the screen. Third point, a scanner. A scanner, this device is a store to image. A scanner, a store to image or pictures in the computer systems, and it works like a photocopy machine. You have already studied in class 4. Every student remember a scanner, plotter. This is the scanner. Third, microphone. Microphone means input sound or give to the audio to best instruction but to the system. Input microphone used to the input sound. Input sound is called the microphone. What is the touchpad? Touchpad, the input device, is mainly in the laptop. It's the sense of the movement of the finger. Touchpad is the sense of the movement of finger. This is the touchpad. My second topic, output device. Output device. These hardware devices are used to display the user input. Display the user input or to show the result produced by the system. You put to the data and with data is not seen. So you put to the data in the computer system, and the output device your all data in front of you. This is the output device. The simple sentence. There are so many such type of output device: monitor, printer, monitor, printer. There are so many such type of. Not for the scanner. A scanner is the input device. Monitor is also called VDU, visual display unit. This monitor is also called soft monitor, soft output. This monitor is the two type. First, CRT cathode ray tube, and the second LCD, liquid crystal display. They are the two type of the monitor. Main important point, printer. This is the main important topic, printer. Printer, the most effective output. Printer, there are two type of printer. Pahla, impact printer and non-impact printer. Printer is two type. Pahla, impact printer, and the second, non-impact printer. Non-impact printer. What is the impact printer? What is the printer? This output device is used to generate hard copy output. This output device generates to hard copy output. That is the print output, which is permanent, and printer are mainly two types. First, impact or non-impact. What is the impact printer? Impact printer, a print head bearing a letters, numbers, sign, asterisks, and inked ribbon immediately before the paper, as in a typewriter. Again, I discussed in this point. Impact printer, a print head bearing a letter, number or sign, strikes and inked ribbon placed immediately before the paper, as in a typewriter. The strikes cause to the imprint or to the printed on the paper with the ink on the ribbon. It is just like to the typewriter. You remember you are studying in the class 4 dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printer. This printer is a impact printer. So some example of impact printer: dot matrix printer, Digital printer. Example: dot matrix printer, Digital printer, Digital printer, and the dot matrix printer measured by CPS, character per second. This is the impact printer. Non-impact printer, laser printer, inkjet printer, thermal printer. Non-impact printer example: laser printer, inkjet printer, and thermal printer are the example of non-impact printer. They are the different technology for the transferring text and the graphics to the print medium. This printer is measured by ppm, page per minute. This is the non-impact printer. Second output device, a speaker. A scanner is not output, a scanner is the input device, a speaker is the output device. A speaker are used to produce the audio output. A speaker are produced to the audio output. We connect to the speaker with the computer system. This is the speaker. The last topic, a storage device. A storage device means a store to the data permanently or the temporary. A storage device, a store to the data permanent, temporary, permanent or temporary. There are so many such type of storage device. First, hard disk. Second, CD, DVD, flash drive, BD, and memory disk. First, hard disk. This storage device is fixed inside the computer system. First, hard disk. So this storage device is fixed inside by the computer system. It has huge storage capacity, and hard disk storage capacity. Hard disk storage capacity 500 GB to 5 TB. This is the hard disk. Second, compact disk. Compact disk is another type of the storage device, and the disk capacity area 700 MB. Third, digital versatile disk. Again, a storage device. You always have remember a storage capacity. The range of the storage capacity 4.4 GB, approx 4 GB to 17 GB. This is the DVD. Third, flash drive or pen drive. Flash drive or pen drive. This is the again the storage device, and this storage device capacity 256 GB. 256 GB data. And the third, Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is a new invented storage device. It is just like to the CD or to the DVD. A storage capacity 25 to 50 GB data. This is the end of your topic, computer at a glance, and all our point I discuss. I hope every student understand. Nobody understand. Please ask any question anytime. Thank you so much.